Hello, family and friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tanisha with Life with Tanisha RN, where I like to plan moments and journal life. Today, I am late unboxing the Cloth and Paper November subscription box, the well anticipated, loved box of the year every year. So let's just go ahead and get into it because November, let's see, by the time this come out, November will quickly be ending, but the contents, I know there's one piece in here that everybody likes to get every year. It will definitely be part of my lineup for 2026. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're visiting for the first time to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you. I hope that you like what you see and will continue to visit and will consider subscribing. So, and if you're returning, thank you. You know how much I appreciate you. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let me just say this. For a brief moment, Cloth and Paper had stopped putting the contents to the sub box, and pretty much anything, a lot of things that you order, we were getting our things in a canvas bag. Absolutely loved it. So did my husband, because I shared a couple of those bags with him. But they will put them inside the bag, and the canvas bag, that is. And I just thought that it was so Cloth and Paper, so elegant, so how can I say, so just beautiful. It screamed luxury. That's what it did. And then they stopped. They just put the items in the box. And so I did a evaluation and told them, hey, I understand. I know things in the time, in the era that we're living in now, things, have to change up, but it would be good to put it in something, maybe a little cellophane wrap or something, so that when you open the box, everything is just not scattered about. So kudos to Cloth and Paper for listening and reading the surveys and comments, because look, now we have this, and I think it's been going on for a couple of months now. So all right, let me go ahead and take this out. And this is, really nice. I mean, again, I would have been happy just with some cellophane wrap, maybe, or even a tie or something to tie everything together. So I try to find, okay, yeah, here we go. We have the November prep routine, and it's just telling everything that's inside here. We have the 2026 weekly horizontal notebook with the Monday start. It's an A5 spiral. We have a graph notebook, CP petite size, which, by the way, I'm going to see if I can put that in here. We have a line notes, planner inserts, A6 spiral, monthly dashboard overlays, A6 spiral, magnetic bookmark, book cloth, letters, label stickers, gift tag, square page flag, trio, box stickers, footnotes, curators journaling card set, January vellum calendar card, and monthly pen set. All right, so let's go ahead and go through. Let's just, let's start with the pens, y'all. Let's start with the pens. So we have this is a zebra, and I'm not sure what it looks like. It may be the size. It looks like it may be a 0.5. Let's see if it's on here. No. Is it on here? No. Okay. No problem. Let me go here. Let's see. Zebra. CMP. I like the way it writes. like that. Okay. We'll definitely be using that. And then this is a, ooh, can't pronounce it, y'all. Uh, Baoki. And this is a pigment Inti. This is, okay, so I saw the live. So let's go to this, y'all. This is going to go with this one here. And this is the, if I can get it out of the bag. Let me do this because I want to try something. Okay. It says this planner belongs to, and then we've got an array of words here. Ooh, everything is kind of together. Let's see if I can make something out of this. You reach for yeah, okay. I'm not going to go through that, y'all. It's interesting though. So here, why don't we just do this? Oh, oh, okay. This is different. I've only had one black notebook and I don't remember using it much. But I think I might do that because, look, I think this can go in here. Let's see. So this is a cover that we got in one of the sub boxes a while back. But I think this CP Petite is going to be too small for it. So I'll just put this back, put my disc down in there. So like this, let's put this here with the pen. All right. Okay, so let's see what this is. Maybe this is these are the, these got to be the gift tags, y'all. I think these are the gift tags. Oh, yes. Okay. It's kind of, maybe you can see it too from, okay. So these are nice. Put that there. All right. Then we have the page flags. I love some sticky notes, so these will definitely be put to use. And then you got the black one, so I could definitely use my white pen with that. This is transparent. That's matte. Transparent. Cute. All right. And then we have some. These are the. Let's take it out of the package. These are the bar stickers, metallic footnotes, transparent. This is nice and different. Definitely will be using these because I like to, switch up a little bit in the planner. Want my little mini to have a little bit of spice. And then we have the January, this is the vellum card. It's different, y'all. Okay. I like this. I'll use that. Probably, if I don't use it in my, I may use it. So when I have things that come in the sub boxes that I don't use in my planner, I'll place them in my journal to show some love there. And then we have the Draft your year with purpose, like a curator. And this is a like a journaling card set, and it's overlaid with this blueprint edition. Start here. This planner is your workspace. Every page is a place to sketch out what matters most. With each choice, you're blocking time, shaping plans, and building the year you want to live. Design it to reflect your vision, your pace, your priorities. And then it has cloth and paper. I think that's cute. I'm going to try to get it, so it didn't curl up. It's kind of curling up there, but I'll try to work it out. Try to get it to not curl. Oh, I don't think that worked. I don't think I like it like that. Okay. All right. Let's see. And then, oh, love this. This is a clip. This is the magnetic bookmark clip. And it's like a canvas cloth like that. That's cute. Let's put it back on here. All right. Now, I think these other pieces will work with this. And I want you all to make sure you have your notification bell on, because, hold on just a minute, y'all. Sorry. I'm going to do a planner lineup of the planners that I'll be using for 2026. Not a ton of changes. I mean, in fact, it's very, very little changes, but I do want to show what planners and journals I'm using for 2026. They will be dressed to impress, so looking forward to that. Now, this is the anticipated piece of the sub box. This is November. Every year is one of the highlights of the November sub box for cloth and paper. Now, I didn't use the one for 2025. Good thing with planners, of course, you can always repurpose them. So it's possible that that one will get repurposed. I do plan to use this one. I've been going back and forth. Do I want to use this as a work planner, or do I want to use it as memory keeping? Do I want to use it for content planning? And I decided, although it's not completely finalized yet, but it's looking really likely that this will be a content planner. So when you open it up, first of all, you got this nice clear cover, and then you've got yearly planner, weekly horizontal, Monday start, and just kind of break all that down for you. And then you have this belongs to page. You have the year at a glance. And the paper is like this cream color, which is different. I like that. You have your holidays and observances. You have conversions. And then you have the first month. This is January. And then there's something there, James Oppenheim. Each of us bears the weight of the world in our own way, but it is in how we carry it that we find ourselves. And it's just repeating. I'm not sure why it's repeating, but it's repeating. And then you've got this open space here. So this would be good. Maybe you can put, you know, journaling card there, or a note, or a sticker, or a photo, something inspiring for yourself. Then you have a note page. I'm a note page or note insert girly, so I really like that. No changes with this here, the monthly goals page. So if you're familiar with cloth and paper, this is pretty much standard. And there's your monthly overview. Again, I don't see any changes with that. and then you have 2 note pages, and then you go into the week. So you have like a split, a duo. So you got the blank, and then you got the graph over here. I want to say this was task or priorities, but there was a header here. So this is fine. I don't mind not having the headers because, you can put your own. If you use the stickers, of course, they're cute to do, or don't forget or remember, to put there. So definitely like that. So yeah, and it just repeat all the way out. So this will probably be my content planner. Then we have, this is insert. And this is going to be, oh, okay, you put it over like this, maybe? Or is it like this? I think it's like this, y'all. Oh, trying to see what it's making out with these squares. So, oh, it's the months. So January, February, March, April, May, June, so forth. Okay, cute, different. Then we have, the monthly tabs. I'm not going to set up this on camera. When you see this planner again, it will be set up because it will be part of the lineup again for 2026. But there's January, that's the 1. There's the 2 for February, and so on. And, just put it in, clip it in there. So like that. Let's see, I'm going to try. And then the last thing we have for the note girlies like myself, I firmly believe if you have some note pages or notebook, you can create a planner. I love note pages to plan, pre-plan, to brain dump, just get thoughts out. I can never have enough note pages. So thank you, Cloth and Paper, for the note inserts for this, because I feel like all planners should have some note pages. So this is awesome. And this is the contents for the November 2025 Cloth and Paper subscription box. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that I just want to thank you for stopping by to join me with this. I want to say, goodness, I like all of the contents in this box. My favorite, I just right off looking at it, I would probably say this is different. The blackout book here. This is definitely be a fun notebook. So I definitely want to use this for some notes just because it's different. So I'm going to say these two. I'm anxious to get started with those. I do like the gift tags because I'm going to put that to use. So all of this is going to go to use. So everybody, all of you will receive some love. Okay. So don't worry about it. I got love for everybody. All right, friends, thank you so much for stopping by to join me in this unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you like this video for me and come back. Hit the subscription button and the notification bell because you don't want to miss the next video. I've got another unboxing that's coming along in this box and the next box. This is all part of my end of the year, beginning of the year content planning and journaling. So you don't want to miss out on that. Okay. Until next time, friends, make sure you take care of yourselves and each other's. Bye. That's